boys and girls. This is Matt. I'm MAC. Today, do you want to open this with me because it has 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, 5 cars, 6 car, 7 car, 8 car. This is Build Your Own City, driven by Battat. There is 140 pieces in this city. So let's get opening.
What's that?
A house. And those are the road pieces. Those are some mountains. That's a wrecking. This is a wrecking ball. And that's a tunnel. That's also a train tunnel. That's where you get pieces. This is, what's that? And that's the car wash. And that's the road. And this is the prison, actually, I think. And this is, what's this? And that has a garage for cars and this so cars can come down and get up here. And
What does that look like?
Oh, ocean.
Oh, look at the turn it around. Do you see the words on the front?
Uh-huh.
What is that?
What? I did not know it had a jail too.
No, I think that's a fire station.
Fire station?
Okay.
That's crazy. And that is a police station.
Oh, what's on the top of the police station?
A helicopter place. And that, what's this? There's one piece in there. There's instructions. And there are oh my God, can you help me with the bridge? Thank you.
What's that?
It's a bridge. And these are all the pieces. And these are the roads. And let's start building.
So what do you have to do next to start building?
Just build.
Just build.
Uh-huh. My dad and me finished. And come along, boys and girls, you can play with me. It's finished. Why do you just have to be in jail? This guy's going in jail. I just love Halloween. That's not so bad at all, Dad. Look, boys and girls, there's an elevator. and girls. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you subscribe to my video. Make sure to like it. Goo Goose. Thank you, Rio. Thank you, Erica. Thank you, June. And thank you, Audrey. Thanks for this little car, and the town, and the box. And thanks for this car because of this. Bye.